Hi, Justin and Norma. I'm making this little video to explain to you what I did so that you can see Sebastian's grade book and progress on the checklist from your login page. I'm going to use Greg in the parent role as an example to show you how he can access Christian's information. But everything that I programmed for Greg is programmed the same for the two of you. So when you log in the next time, you should see the same feature on your parent page. And I would ask you if you can't see this feature to let me know, and I'll look at the details behind it to try and resolve the issue quickly so that you can see Sebastian's progress in the course. So the first thing that I need you to do is log in as a parent. So I'm going to do this again like I'm logging in as Greg in the capacity as the parent for Christian on Rebecca's course page. So when we get to the dashboard, you'll see the different courses there, and you'll go to the teacher course page. And then this is a new feature that you should see. So over here in the right-hand side, if you scroll down, there is a section called the Mentees block. So it's a new block that was placed there. And in that block, you should see Sebastian's name. Again, in this case, we're going into Miss Rebecca's class because our son Christian is enrolled there. He's enrolled, though, under my user account, Jenny Sedmak. So this is why you see my name here and not Christian's name. But when you log into Mrs. Given's course page, you should see Sebastian's name over there. So now if you click on Sebastian's name, or in my case, if I click on Jenny Sedmak, it's going to open up a whole profile page related to my role as a student. And I want to look at the course profile, which is the 8 and 9-year-old class. This is the course that I am enrolled in as a student. So if I click on Miss Rebecca's course page, then it'll bring up my profile as a student in her course. And I'm going to go back to that because for you, you're probably not going to have as many course profiles. You'll see that it's very limited for Sebastian. And again, I'm clicking on the course page that I want to look at the grades for, and it brings up this whole other profile section. And then if you scroll down under reports, there should be an icon or a hyperlink for the grade book. So when I click on grade, then what it's done is it's open my grade book for my child, okay? And you can see here, it's we have a lot to do with Christian still. So here you don't see a lot of grades and feedback. It's not because of something that Miss Rebecca is doing wrong. It's because we still have to upload a lot of stuff for Christian. But for a student who had a lot of progress, you would see that these fields were filled in with grades and feedback. Okay, so you should see this feature on the page now on your parent page for Sebastian. Again, I hope it works correctly the way that I programmed it today. And if you do have any further troubles in accessing these features on Mrs. Given's page, please let me know and I'll do my best to fix or resolve the problems as quickly as possible. I hope you have a good day. Bye.